The science of strengths came from more than 50 years of detailed research and strengths assessments that have helped millions of people discover what they do best and enjoy most. STEAM Executive can help you discover that unique combination of strengths within yourself. The changing environment demands that organisers move from boss to coach. Learn how you can use a strengths-based approach to improve engagement and performance and transform your culture. During this program, you will learn how to use strengths to maximise performance, practical approaches to applying strengths daily, and how to gain increased performance and higher engagement using strengths. We recommend that you complete these modules in order. However, you may wish to move the module describing the science of strengths to last. At a minimum, you should complete these modules: Introduction to Strengths, STEAM Quick Self-Assessment or another strength assessment, Discover Your Strengths, and Describing the Science of Strengths to learn more. All set? Then let's get started.